कि आप अब शायद सुनेंगे। शायद मैंने लगाया, because of humbleness, that actually we need to get that. We don't listen. And when Ranga Sahib was telling you all big things, I was really getting pissed off. I knew that you are not listening, and he is saying such a great thing. It's amazing. However, the trainer has to keep on, giving, unmindful of, and I could see that he must be experiencing. There is no listening. Space में listening नहीं है, लेकिन उनको बोलना पड़ रहा है. Because the internal dialogue is going on. Always. Now imagine उसमें कैसे आपको पढ़ाया जाए, या कैसे आप पढ़ेंगे? So much things is happening.
आपको सत्य बोले ना, अगर स्टैटिस्टिक्स की बात करें, इसे कोई सर्टिफाई नहीं करता, और पहले दिन में जितना मुश्किलात पैदा होता है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में, उसमें शायद ही हम 10 से 15% ज्ञान प्राप्त करते हैं, क्योंकि बाकी सब में जो है ना, ऐसे कैसे होता है, ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, ये सब शब्द आते रहते हैं. So all the more it will keep on coming, and we have to go. उसके परे हमें जाना है. मुझे लगता है मैं वहाँ सुखी हूँ, यहाँ से वहाँ कुछ करना है. यहाँ क्या है, आगे परे जाना है. बड़ा संकल्प है, इसके आगे जाना, इनको आगे ले जाना, आगे ले जाना. ये भी हमारा मेरा एक विषय है. तो आप अगर 15% क्रॉस कर चुके ना तो पहले दिन में, तो बहुत कुछ पाएंगे, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. ये मेरा अभिप्राय है, मेरा सत्य. तो होता क्या है, पहले दिन में हम लोग कहते ना, दीवार से सब टकराते, सर फोड़ना कहते हैं, सर फोड़े,
बीम पर जाना.
और जब तक ये दीवार नहीं टूटता तब तक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन शुरू नहीं होता. जितना आसानी से आप दीवार तोड़ोगे उतना जल्दी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. जैसे कह रहे हैं रेजिस्टेंस कॉजेस परसिस्टेंस, क्योंकि हर शब्द यहाँ से जो निकला वो सामने से एक शब्द ऐसे क्यों, वैसे क्यों नहीं, ये सब अनेक विषय चलता है. इसे हम भी सुनते हैं, क्योंकि एक जमाने में हम भी वहां बैठे थे, हम भी बड़े ज्ञानी थे.
रंगा साहब इनफैक्ट लिसनिंग में जब मेरी ट्रेनिंग हो रही थी और फोरम लीडर ने कहा हम लोग सुनते नहीं थे, तो मेरे मन में आया ये लोग तो बोल रहे हैं. But what are you talking, man? You are sitting with a giant, that's what. But I saw his body language. He said, all of you 300. मैं देखा, मैं तो बीच में बैठा हूँ, I'm included. And just 1 minute, I said, let me for 1 minute I should consider what he's saying. And the moment as I am not listening, I got breakthrough. I immediately saw that I am not listening to my wife. 3 साल हो गए थे शादी के, और वाइफ जब भी माँ के बारे में बोलती थी ना, मेरे कान बंद हो जाते. ये जो है झगड़ा करने के लिए या शिकायत करने के लिए, और उसके बाद मैं टॉपिक बदल के वहां से चला जाता था. Imagine what kind of husbands he is getting, because my ear was closed. मैं प्रोग्राम में ब्रेक मिला, अभी आपको जैसे लंच ब्रेक मिले, वो ब्रेक मिला तो बोल गए, मैं गया फोन उठाया, वाइफ को फोन किया, सॉरी. 3 साल के बाद पहली बार सॉरी बोला. क्या साहब, वाइफ को कितना बार सॉरी बोला?
हर महीना में एक बार.
मैं थोड़ा और उज्जड़ था, 3 साल हो गए थे, सॉरी नहीं बोला. ना वो भी बिहारी, सॉरी कैसे लेडी को बोलेगा? तो
एक्चुअली आप पहले बिहार छोड़ दिए ना,
इसलिए. और मैं फोन किया, सॉरी बोला, उन्होंने बोला कहाँ है आप? मैंने ये ट्रेनिंग में करा, मन लगा कि ठीक है, पहला बात सॉरी बोले हो. मैंने गौर से सुना नहीं था. Now onwards, I will make an attempt to listen to you. And that was a major breakthrough. हमारा relation different level पे है. They're completely different. And आज जो भी काम कर रहा हूँ उसको जो उनका सहयोग मिलता है, that's mainly because I could listen to her much better than what I used to listen. ये नहीं कहूँगा कि मैं again humble as I'm not listening. I have to be in that. But जो पहले सुनता था 3 साल प्रोग्राम से पहले की बात, फिर बाद का listening has changed. I will not say it is 100%, but it's much better than earlier. I will request you, when we will break for the lunch, please call at least one person. Share with him or her that you were not listening to him or her, what they were saying. And I'm sure there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 people जिनको आपने गौर से सुना नहीं, वो कहना चाह रहा है आपको, वो आपका बच्चा हो सकता है, आपकी वाइफ हो सकती है, आपके पेरेंट्स हो सकते हैं, whoever they are, they wanted to communicate something to you. You are not listening. Talk to them. At least one. And उनको कहो अभी से मैं सुनूंगा. If you want to say sorry, nothing wrong in it. If you want to say thank you for keep on communicating, somebody is expressing love to you, affection to you. You are not even acknowledging. Can you thank them? Can you say sorry? So that's one exercise we'll do in the break. Are we ready for the break?
Oh, yes.
Okay, we are ready for the lunch. So we will take how much time? 40 minutes. So it's almost 2 minutes to 2. We will meet at 2:40. Thank you. Let's talk to somebody. Okay.
I talked to my daughter. Apologize.
Okay.
And of course she was completely taken aback because her dad has never apologized to her since her birth.
Good.
Because she's grown up now. So somewhere I have learned that you should treat them. गाँव में कहावत है, when the child reaches your shoulder, you should treat them as a friend, not as a child. So I'm very conscious of it. So I used to treat them like a friend, but somewhere inside they had a craving to be treated as a child. This is पता नहीं था. Okay. So I told her that, and I said now I'm aware.
You could listen to their craving now so loudly.
Okay, so she was happy and she said, okay, Papa, see you on Sunday night.
They are looking forward to see their mom. Very good. Thanks for sharing. Can you give a hand? Very good. Anybody else?
Yeah, I spoke with my mom. It was early today morning only. ये सब arrange करना पड़ता है, रात से arrange करना पड़ता है तो mom is like you don't arrange everything is still you fall back on me and all these things. तो वो थोड़ा ऐसे लग रहा था कि जा रहा है तो you should take care of yourself and all these things. तो उसमें थोड़ा मेरे को लग रहा था कुछ ऐसे तो I apologize कि what you were saying was right. I should have done it. सुबह आते वक्त मुझे था कि मैं खुद कर लिया होता था और arrangements हो गया होता था तो everything would have been smooth. I just told her that I should have done it on myself and trouble नहीं होता था. Because wife is also not there, so it falls back on my mom. So इसके लिए तो I just said sorry and I won't happen next time. ठीक है, it's good that you've gone. मुझे लग रहा था पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहा है. Now you come back and when you come back, please.
Very good. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing. Sorry, I missed out some part of it, but I got that you got some. So I acknowledge that. Listening is. We have never listened. Or we are not listening. I am not listening. I will never listen if God doesn't support. Okay. I acknowledge your prayer. Thank you. Yes. Okay.
मैं अपने कलीग से बात किया यहाँ का जो था उसको शेयर किया तो वो बोले कि आप और अच्छे से थोड़ा लिसनिंग करो हम लोगों को भी बताओ तो बोले कि आपको क्या लगता है बोला कि 100% अगर अभी तो ये तो फर्स्ट डे है अगर 3 महीना सीख लिए अच्छे से अरे हो गया क्लास ले लिए
आंधी तूफान आ जाए
100% अच्छा होता है.
Very good. Excellent. Well, thanks for saying. Swami Vivekananda said, I need 100 youth. 100, I think that is his That was his number. 100 youth to transform India. Who knows? You are one. It doesn't take many. Few of us can transform country. Okay, thanks for sharing. Good. Anybody else? और कुछ जाजे कुछ किए होमवर्क नहीं करिए क्या कीजिएगा हैं अब इसे जब भी मौका मिले फायदा उतना ही होगा जितना आप एक्शन लीजिएगा जिस हद तक आप एक्शन लीजिएगा उस हद तक आपको फायदा होगा क्लियर है सिंपल I talk to and I take advantage always I take advantage मैंने अपने ससुर जी से बात किया उनकी मम्मी का डेथ हो गया था और उसमें कुछ जाना था किसी को नहीं जा पाए थे हमारे यहाँ से I apologized and I come and हम लोग दोनों के बीच में रिलेशन कैसे अच्छा हो गया जो एक ब्रेक हो गया था and not only that मैं आज 12 साल से जब शादी हुई है तब से उनको इनवाइट करता था he had never taken my invitation ठीक है आप कुछ कुछ करते रहते हो कुछ कुछ करते रहते हो this time he said I will come to Bombay and especially मैं जाड़े में आऊँगा जिससे कि वहाँ पे क्या है कि वो जाड़ा बिहार इतना जाड़ा नहीं पड़ता I will be more productive and effective he has accepted my invitation to be here it's a breakthrough it never happened thanks yes Suresh नहीं क्या अच्छा होमवर्क करने का हाँ okay good so whoever has not done the homework please do that during the next break जब भी नेक्स्ट की ब्रेक होगी उसमें आप ये असाइनमेंट कर लीजिएगा एटलीस्ट 1 पर्सन यू कैन टॉक टू 2-3 जो भी आपके ये जो लर्निंग हो रही है उससे बहुत सारे इंसाइट जो आपको मिल रहे हैं ओपनिंग जो मिल रही है उससे आपको ये लग रहा है कि किसी व्यक्ति के साथ आपका कोई आपकी कारण कुछ हुआ है अब शायद आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ रही होगी कि यार मेरे कारण मैं हमेशा उसको गलती समझता था लेकिन कहीं कहीं लगता है कि मेरा भी इशू है so when you acknowledge that whenever you get opportunity just do that advantage is certainly there okay what else they should go entrepreneurship somebody wants to do job before getting into entrepreneurship they should go for job clear I got that so what is your if you can break down that goal that purpose employability for what is your milestone for this month February में कितना आदमी को आप gainful employment करवाना चाहता है
Plan for
right so give me one figure something which will match with your employability for all it's a big call so see talking big is easy very easy because nobody can hold you to count the moment you will say employability for all by what time and employability for all means how many people these are specifics that we are talking about. We don't want to be specific. We always want to be general and vague so that nobody can catch us. It's the time to be specific. What is that?
I will contact at least 10 people.
10 से employability बढ़ेगा for all होगा. Actually, yeah, your action plan must be consistent with the game that you are in. Yes.
There is a way we can play the game, Rahul. What's your creation?
Creation,
क्या कह रहे हैं? Possibility क्या है?
employment to all.
Employment. ठीक है? फिगर नहीं मालूम. कैसे करना नहीं मालूम.
I know how to, I can do that.
How do you do it? This is for everybody. Yeah? I'm just coaching him so that something opens for us.
So I'll share this, my purpose to at least 10% in the next month. and make some actions to just I'll go to one village, okay, whoever the unskilled person is there, I'll try to make them skilled person.
Oh.
So that I have to find it.
Good. You don't know how to.
Yes.
You have to find out.
Yes.
What else is possible? Anybody now? I want to just take this opportunity of tuning our mind, aligning our mind, soul, intention, speech, everything has to be one. Synchronicity. Varna, it's no, it's only a voice. जिसे हम रियलिटी में लाना है, अगर दिमाग, मन, जबान, विजन मैच ना हो तो आउटपुट नहीं होगा, आउटकम नहीं आता। तो आपसे मैं एक विनती करूंगा, आप यहाँ आ जाओ, मैं आपको कोच करता हूँ, हाँ? और इसके माध्यम से देखो, अभी मैं है ना, मैं पर्पस ढूंढ रहा हूँ। मेरा पर्पस क्या है? औरों को पर्पस दिखाना, औरों को अपने पर्पस पे ले जाना। और मैं, यह अपॉर्चुनिटी है मेरे लिए, मैं आपको कर रहा हूँ कोच, लेकिन यहाँ भी पॉसिबिलिटी होगा। ये मेरा मकसद है अभी, इसी चलेगा। इज दैट ओके विद यू? हाँ, आप आ जाओ, मैं सवाल पूछूंगा, आज जवाब देना। व्हाट इज दिस पॉसिबिलिटी?
Employability for all.
Employment. Are we aligned? Employment for all. Can you write it?
Yeah.
Now, आपको अगर आपके मकसद में हम लोग नहीं चलते हैं तो आपको रोककर हमें कहना पड़ेगा एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर ऑल। इसका एक्शन प्लान क्या हो सकता है? आपने क्या कहा? मुझे 10 लोगों को कांटेक्ट करना है। उसके बाद कहे एक गांव जाना है, अनस्किल्ड लेबर को स्किल बनाना है, और उसके बाद मालूम नहीं। 4 स्टेप आपने कहा, क्या मैं बराबर सुना हूँ?
Yes.
हाँ? Are you all aligned?
Yes, yes.
Huh? Are you aligned?
Yes.
Now, tell me some other way that you can make this possibility real.
I can continue with
Sure,
what
sure.
once the skill has been imparted, first go to the rural area, find a good trainer who can impart training, skills development to these people.
Okay.
Once that is done,
Okay.
yeah.
So you are saying there is a possibility that he has to identify
The
a
good
trainer.
skilled trainer or institutes. There are many institutes which you can refer, and you can, they can come and impart. Their purpose will be only training.
Good.
Like this is a training institute.
Got.
So
I thought ITI.
हाँ.
Like ITI.
ITI ऐसा उसका। फिर next help them stand on their own, become entrepreneurs. Because उसके
No,
बाद
that is not.
Okay, employability, okay.
No, employment.
okay
Not entrepreneurship.
okay then
हमें क्या करना है? How do we sharpen one his possibility? Unless we listen to his possibility, does not remain possibility.
okay
हम अगर उसे नहीं सुनते हैं, उनकी पॉसिबिलिटी वहीं मर जाएगी। बीवी ने कहा कि मुझे शाम को डोमिनोज खाना है, तो आप क्या सुनते हो?
खाना है
क्या करते हो?
समझ माइंड इज टू
एग्जैक्टली, मुझे मार नहीं खाना है, उसको डोमिनोज खाना है।
यस
So that is called, there is a communication, there is a listening, there is an action, result. Communication, listening, we are talking about listeners. अगर किसी ने कुछ कहा, उसे अगर हमने क्या कहते हैं, हमने नहीं सुना, आचरण नहीं किया, तो वो मर गया। जिम्मेदारी किसकी बनी?
नहीं सुनती
करेक्ट। कहते हैं, कोई कहता है चोर चोर, भागता कौन है? गांव वाले ढूंढने कहाँ है चोर। वो चोर चोर कहने वाला अगर उसे कोई सुना नहीं तो चोर तो चोरी करके जाना ही वाला है, कल आपके घर में, कल मेरे घर में, आपके घर में, ये होना है। तो व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ लिसनिंग? दिस इज इन कंजंक्शन विद व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ लिसनिंग? लाइक मनोज जी वाज सेइंग ना, कितना सुनते, उन्होंने कुछ कहा और हमने नहीं सुना तो वो वहां मर गए, करेक्ट? नाउ जैसे उन्होंने आइडिया दिया, हमें भी आइडिया आता है, उसे क्या करते हैं? मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। अभी हम क्या एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं कि इनकी पॉसिबिलिटी को रियलिटी में लाने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करें, आसान कैसे करें, ताकि बहुत कुछ हो सकता है, मुमकिन। कोई और आइडिया?
यस सर, ये बहुत सारे स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि मैं आपको अनस्किल लेबर प्रोवाइड कर सकता हूँ।
ये करेंगे, क्या कर सकते हो?
ये करेंगे
अच्छा,
बिकॉज ही इज गोइंग टू, मतलब क्या कहते हैं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू अदर्स ऑल पीपल। सो पहले ये फैसिलिटीज मतलब क्रिएट करेंगे, तो सो मेनी स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज को कांटेक्ट करेंगे कि हम आपको अनस्किल लेबर प्रोवाइड करेंगे। मिनिमम गवर्नमेंट का वेजेस जो है वो देखें, उसको ट्रेंड करें आप।
First question one has to ask, there is a success path. Success path, the first question is when you have said that you have this employability for all, right? This is your goal, yes? Employability for all. The next step is purpose. Why you want that? Next stage is action plan. Next stage is action. When you took action or you have taken action, then is review. Continuous review. And so that you are having the revised action plan, revised action plan, revised action plan. And in spite of that, you don't get result. In spite of that, you don't create result. Then what is needed here? Corrective action. That is continuous review. Already you are taking it. Then it is commitment. This is something which will give you result. So the question that you have to ask is purpose. Why you want employability for all? Why? Purpose. Why? कोई भी चीज जो आपका गोल है, this you need to ask. Unless it is like solid, is it coming from past? कि चूंकि मेरे को एम्प्लॉयमेंट में दिक्कत है तो मैं ठीक कर दूंगा, मेरे को पैसे का दिक्कत है तो खूब सारा पैसा जनरेट कर दूंगा, मेरे को प्यार नहीं मिला तो खूब सारा प्यार दे दूंगा. This is also a way of finding goal, but that will not be powerful enough, effective enough. What is required is to really question why. Why you want employability for all? In fact, I will be very pissed off. You wanted your two friends to get employment, right? And they didn't come. I will be completely pissed off. What is this? मैं दुनिया को एम्प्लॉयमेंट बनाने के लिए चल रहा हूँ, लोग तो बोल रहे हैं मेरे को नहीं चाहिए एम्प्लॉयमेंट. अब मैं क्या करूँ? होगा कि नहीं होगा? You will be in that trap. So the question is, why you want employability for all if everybody doesn't want employability? So, no, I don't want employability to be employable. I want to be employer. So employability for all, first define it. So you have said, okay, gainful employment. So everybody is productive.
Yes.
Something like that.
So they can earn something in their life, so they can
Earning
fulfill
for
their
all,
needs.
earning for all, right?
Yes.
Something like
so
that.
they can fulfill their needs.
Growth for all.
Yes.
Earning for all.
Yes.
Right? Now, can you see the current system is not functioning fully? right? Like many of your friend is unemployed,
Yes.
MBA finance. Imagine their parents have given lakhs of, for fee, and then many of them are unemployed, right? And it is of your batch. Then imagine 10 years seniors till from your side till 10 years, and 3-4 years junior, because you have passed out. When did you pass out?
2009.
9. So 4 years, 5 years of. So many people might have been unemployed. So that might be giving you purpose. We are asking question. Why?
So
See, after seeing so many people,
They are connecting from past only.
and it's all right, but you have to find out why it is happening. So when you see so many people, in spite of spending so much money and time and energy, they are not into gainful employment, right? And they are at the mercy of market many times. If market is tumbling here, there, many people become unemployed. So that means something is not working. Can you see that?
Yeah, in this scenario, basically all these MBA finance who are in trouble are into this equity broking or commodity broking or capital market related. Other than these functions, I think they are not in trouble.
So this function is very big, isn't it? How many might be employed in this area? Equity, derivative, capital market. How many MBAs? Give me some figure of India.
Around I think 50 lakhs people
Not 50.
concerned with everything.
50 lakh concerned, but MBA finance. I am talking about people. First, who is my first concern? My family. Who is my first concern? My batchmate. Who is my first concern? People from my village side or Bihar side. Who is my first concern? India. People from India, because I am from India. So first thing is which is closely connected. So you being MBA finance, the first thing comes like same fraternity of people. So you see how many of that can be that? How many of them?
50,000.
It's a big number. Maybe even if not 50,000, 10,000 is a big number. 1,000 is a big number. 5,000 is a big number. We are talking. Swami Vivekananda was talking only 100 people. I need 100 youths to transform country. Now these people, those MBA people, are getting into on the purpose of their life, on the vision. They will surely increase their employability and gainful employment. So these can give you some access to action plan. While when we're talking about rural and all, I have cut you off. Don't go into rural, because rural is not who is touching right now. Rural will touch you after a step. When you are surrounded by 5 people, 10 people, then you may think about rural, because you may not be connected right now with rural situation. Like for example, he was finding it difficult to connect with his thinking, but you are certainly connected with his thinking, Suresh and Arvind and Tushar, because they are connected. So the first thing that when you go in your way of looking at achieving your goal, you start with I, then you go with your next circle, next circle, next circle, next circle. That's how you approach. My father, in the last session, my father has invented the possibility of Adarsh Gaon, ideal village. We have villages 2 places, that means land has 2 places. So at one place he wants to make it as an ideal. And it has opened up a lot of things. I really asked him a few questions. And because of that, we had a good communication. I said, Pitaji, you are going for Adarsh Gaon, whether you have Adarsh family, whether you are Adarsh, because we are in this communication, we don't talk in that way. Aapka family Adarsh hai? How is your relation with your wife? My mother. Mother के साथ relation आदर्श है? Brother के साथ आपका आदर्श है? I am asking question. And he was listening attentively. Says, my mind is working. And I know that his mind is working means something good is going to happen. and I could see a lot of things happening. Like he has started, setting his different priorities, which used to be different. Mother was relegated to the background all the time. She's slowly getting some space. Brother, one of the brother, his brother, my father is four brothers. One of the uncle is little tedha meta, and he was not communicating straight. He said, I will communicate straight with him. That my father is the elder brother. So, आदर्श गांव से पहले का बैरियर जो है, आदर्श में, आदर्श family, wife, then friend, then this brothers, then children, then extended family, and then village. Not only that, we discussed that architect is visiting the village. By that time, it should be in your mind so that you can tell the architect, I want this kind of village in my other place, so that he can give you drawing. So now everything is falling in place because one, he is committed. Whatever he said, he is clear about that. Boss, this is what I am going to have it. So if I need to create a space with my wife, with my children, with my brother, I have to correct the course, I will do it. So it starts with you. First thing, are you in gainful employment? So when you answer that yes, I am in. Then comes whether my family members and friends are there. Once that thing is done, then whether their family and family friends. So that circle keeps on increasing. Then location, geographical location wise, you will start doing whether Bombay has that, because right now in Bombay. Or if you talk about, then comes the rural thing. Okay, my village is at that place, whether that place is gainful employment is taking place. That's how the stages of accomplishment. Getting some idea? That will help you in action plan. That's what, sir, you were recommending, right? Making action plan.
Before that, I'm just...
yeah, please.
See, in everyone's creation lives in our listening. And if everyone's creation is heard, what can we bring forth to make that happen? Okay, let us say we are employed here.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
The first time I'm listening to that yes. Otherwise, मैं ढीला बात कर रहा था. मुझे मैं सोचने लग गया. So, are you convinced that what you're talking, or are you just talking with your head? See, when the communication is from the head, we are manipulating. What did I say?
Manipulate.
When?
That you're communicating with the head.
When we are communicating from head, we are manipulating. Why? Manipulation is not anything else but you're calculative. मैं ये बोलूँगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, वो बोलूँगा तो बच जाऊँगा, यहाँ से ये बोलूँगा तो खुश हो जाएंगे, और लोग मेरे वाह करेंगे. समझ रहे हो? तो ये मैनिपुलेशन में आता है. When you speak from here, it lands everywhere the same way. What happens is, now we have to create listening. I'm continuing with listening so that the word listening is amazingly powerful. It's just not anything else but power within you. You have to listen. Now, what else is possible? He's saying 100% employment. ठीक है, बोल तो दिए, तथास्तु हो गया. तो जो मानता है तू वो हो सकता है.
Yes.
हाँ?
Yes.
क्या क्या कर सकते हैं हम? उन्होंने कहा स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री में जा सकते हैं, ITI में ट्रेनर को ले आकर ITI जैसे इंस्टीट्यूट कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, ट्रेनर को ले आ सकते हैं, अनस्किल्ड लेबर को ट्रेन कर सकते हैं. Employment is not equal to unskilled labor. You know where you have gone? You know what you have done? From education, employment, you have gone into actually a place called unskilled labor.
Educated unemployed as well.
So, नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ चले गए और कन्वर्सेशन कहाँ रह गया? जैसे मोदी साहब ने क्या बताया?
And that is all right.
No, what? I'm not.
See, that was the stage. That
He
was
will-
one
he will
stage
make it-
that an unskilled person.
I'm just, you know, what am I focusing on? Is how can we polish the entire purpose to look like a diamond? It's a word which has come out.
And if you can do that by the end of the session, latest. So whenever you get time in the night or in between, keep on working on, and you can present that. Whenever you get the opening, this is my action plan, this is this, and you want some support from us or the part of or give feedback or something, you can come. Right? We are not going to spoon feed you. It's your job, right? And we treat you big enough. So you can do that.
You know, I need 4 employees who are highly trained into management. Can you provide one possibility? Is I contact the employers who are wanting to employ people, and I call up my friends and make sure that it is there. Causing it. When you do it, your friends will do it, and then his friends will do it. That's how the multiplication happens. We cannot say just employment for everyone and not nobody. How many of us are in that state? Today I don't want employment. Sir, do you want employment? Huh?
But I suspect here, if I may add, I think we should differentiate between visual thinking and the serious doing.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. That's exactly. So sharpening, what we are doing is, now we have to sharpen it. Just don't say it for the sake of saying it. Let's polish it. Let's bring it with all the power that when I say so, it shall happen. It has to be polished. Like a diamond shining. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
हाँ? तो यहाँ से करके नहीं होगा, यहाँ से आना चाहिए. It has to come from within. तब जाके वो उसमें. इसीलिए क्या है? Synchronicity of mind, soul, speech, and vision. Synchronicity of mind, soul, speech, vision. Now, if these 4 are together, nothing can stop it. It has come from your mind. Now, you have to make sure that all the 4 are together. Are you understanding? Yes. Am I making sense? Are you getting what I'm saying?
Like integrity, 1. All are 1. Body, mind, soul, 8.
एक क्वेश्चन है, I mean we all always say ना body mind soul एक होना चाहिए, integrity होना चाहिए. But if you see successful people, I mean आपने जो आदर्श गांव का बोला, first you should be right with yourself, then you see successful people. I mean success को definition भी एक अपना रहता है, but actual success, I'll give the example also. उनका one part of life would be disrupted, but still they are successful in what they are doing. Like I'll tell you, transformational leader itself, for example, Robin Sharma. दुनिया सुनती है उसको, number 1. He himself is a divorcee.
No, sorry.
Yeah,
He's not a
that's-
divorcee.
Huh?
He's not a divorcee.
That's what he keeps saying in his books.
No.
Okay, then I'm sorry. I mean, if that is the claim itself goes wrong then.
And what is wrong with being divorced? That's the question.
So again, sir, this is our own filters coming out.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And it's all right.
Okay.
And it's all right. Actually, when my trainer, one of the trainer, while I was undergoing, he said one line, sometimes separation is enrichment.
I am one of them. Okay, here I am. I was married for 10 years.
Sometimes separation is enrichment.
We were on task 24/7 for a certain purpose. The purpose got accomplished. We had a choice. Do I want to create anything else? I said no. I separate. You separate. What is it called? In the colloquial language, it is called as divorce.
Okay, fine. Okay, that is also one of the reasons.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is wrong with divorce? And when they said separation is enrichment, For the first time, I was at that time 32 years because in my tradition or this thing, never occurred that divorce. I was in the same space where you are. That divorce is a really bad thing, and it took me for some time before I could adjust myself to the situation of divorcee is not actually necessarily bad thing.
Okay. Oh, okay, I get this thing. No, only my point came, again coming back to Robin, because he writes books and talks a lot on family wisdom and parenting, family wisdom and all these things, and being good with your partner and all that. And uska aisa hai. And there will be umpteen number of examples such as that.
Think of anyone. Like Robin Sharma, we cleared it.
Okay.
That
That
is, I don't know much about Robin Sharma.
Okay.
But only based on your fact, which you have said, that he is divorcee,
Ah,
that is
that
not
is
the
not
sufficient
the
fact
fact.
to be not
Okay,
is
fair
not
enough.
successful.
Fair enough, fair enough. Okay, then I take my words back. Fine. See, because
So
yeah.
keep on bringing up, and I like it
Yeah.
that you have brought it. Bring it forth, all those things, this reality that we have created. In the morning we discussed,
True.
we will break each and every one such that we have sufficient space to create, the world that we want.
Okay, great.
Thanks for sharing.
So, coming to that part is that we are living our own interpretations.
Okay, yeah, great. Yeah.
Whatever he says has to be accepted. He is transformation leader, so you are reading this book.
And
Not because he is a divorcee.
no,
And you don't stop reading because he is a divorcee.
Yeah.
Either way. His passion is showing up in you, that's why you will know the knowledge.
fair enough. That's the reality.
And if the name has come, let me tell you, I have not read even a single line of Robin Sharma. I have seen so many times, it doesn't attract me. I go through the books of Shiv Khera, it doesn't attract me. So what I want to say is,
reality differs.
there may be the layers of transformational leader.
Fair,
Somebody
fair
is highly evolved, somebody is in some place.
Fair enough.
But if I can learn something, even one thing, it's all right.
Talking of Robin Sharma, I asked my son, "Hey, I said, यार, दुनिया कह रही है, he said, पापा, ये बंदा preachy है यार."
He speaks in a very simple language.
And I don't know.
Great. I mean,
See, the child is the best judge. Basically, they are innocent. They are not judgmental. They are
Like
clear.
a filter.
वो सीधे बोल देगा वो
okay.
कि भाई ये पीछे है ये नहीं, उसको सीधा पता चल जाएगा.
He was giving his reasons.
His
Why
reasons.
he didn't like it.
Okay.
Everybody
in
their
their
own.
own reasons. Fine.
Success, even successful
Definitely.
people, is in your interpretation.
That's got it.
So who you call it a success?
Yeah.
There is a story. I will not narrate it now. Sometime later, the most successful entrepreneur in the United States, when he was dying at the age of 72, what actually happened. There's a book on it. So the world is looking at the success because he is a big time. A big time success. But there is something else which he actually confessed later. So let us not get into that successful people.
At least from the standard that world normally rates.
Got it.
We'll put that barometers away. कुछ नहीं है. We are here for ourselves.
Fair.
As I said, all the walls will come. We have to break through the walls.
Okay.
They come. Doesn't matter.
Fair enough.
We have to break. तो क्या है कि अगर 4 एम्प्लॉय एक एम्प्लॉय को 4 एम्प्लॉय चाहिए, can we not provide? So can that be possibility also? It's a perception. Okay? तो आप जहाँ पे थे कि employment for everyone. I have 4 friends who are unemployed. I have 5 friends who want employees. मैंने ये दोनों को जोड़ों का अच्छा कहा. सही बात. और ये दोनों नहीं मिले तो मेरा पर्पस मर गया. हम किसको क्या कहते हैं? आप बोलते हो ना यार मेरा रिकमेंडेशन भेज दो ना, कोई आपकी जान पहचान है तो बता दो ना. ऐसा ही होता है. बातें छोटी होती है. तो एक बार होता है तो मतलब what I am bringing forth again is whatever we stand here and create, it gets created here If the listening is not here, our creation dies. So create in a way that everyone listens and it comes back and it becomes reality. Yes.
Never thought that way.
It's like,
Okay, that's why enrollment.
exactly. Otherwise, voice is a fart. It only makes noise, no result. Probably sticks. So creation has to be in such a way that when you're actually narrating it, others are saying, wow, it has landed. Then it comes back. What happens? This becomes a team of creation. The first enrollment happens here. Are you getting? So all of you all focus on how can I sharpen it.
And what Sir was saying, the way he was sharing about that there are many times that he was doing mock in his learning training program, and in which when the video was shown, then it was like when he was handling the customer in the mall, it was like he was so pissed off, so frustrated. He didn't want to really communicate that he is loving that customer. Actually, he was hating that customer, though he was speaking all the good language.
बड़ी मीठी मीठी बातें कर रहा था मैं, लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो वीडियो कैप्चर कर रहे हैं वो, क्योंकि वो इट वाज अ मॉक दिस थिंग कि 6 मिनट में बॉस के साथ मीटिंग है जो आप मिस नहीं कर सकते. कस्टमर आए हैं, कस्टमर भगवान होता है, तो आप उसको डील करके सेटिस्फाई करके आप अपने बॉस से जाके मिलेंगे, लेकिन ये 6 मिनट के अंदर दैट वाज द एक्सरसाइज. तो मेरा जो कस्टमर था, मेरा ही एक कलीग था, ही वाज फ्रॉम कोरिया, वो बंदा इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकता था, और हम इंडियन तो बड़े प्राउड हैं कि हम फर्स्ट क्लास इंग्लिश बोलते हैं और हम काफी फास्ट भी बोल लेते हैं. तो बोला मिस्टर रामदी, आदि पढ़ यार, मैं कह नहीं रहा हूँ उसे, yes, how can I help you? Please, of course, ये वो. Then they showed me my
Anger on the face.
और वो देखिए मेरे दुश्मन को भी ऐसे बैंकर तो नहीं मिलना चाहिए यार. मेरे चेहरे पे साफ दिखाई दे रहा था कि यार तू बैठा है, यार तू मेरा टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है, तू भाग जा यार. I think there is a disconnect between what I am talking and what my body is showing, and that person can recognize that. आप वीडियो की बातें कर लो, other person can recognize ना. So the disconnect.
So the context is decisive. That is making the difference now. It's because of your context.
What context you have given to the event?
What context you are operating from.
Okay.
A mother slaps the child, and still the child remains and loves her mother. And I, being a stranger, even if I give lollipop, she just look towards me in a strange way, like because the context is not equivalent to the context of her mother. Her mother's context is completely different. It's the commitment towards her when she is slapping her.
Another word we can write down. We can always remember who we are being is louder than what we speak.
Cooking the food.
Our being has come into the food and gone into someone's stomach through the mouth and communicated, and it has gone back there. So who she is being is louder than what she speaks.
We have not heard whoever has cooked the food. We have not heard her, but if she has put love there, we got it. And she got it back. If the communication goes back, that the people appreciated, the rice was good, the dal was good. So they make it appreciated.
So, are you getting it? Why that synchronicity is important? Why the context is important? Why now the mind soul synchronicity comes only when you are in touch with the context. A creation does not happen only with mind. Creation happens because it is in synchronicity. It's in context. The entire thing happens like that. Like I said, yesterday when I left, I was worried for a minute. Then I said, no, my context is clear. I'm taking the train. What comes next is a car. What comes next is an auto. And when I reach the station, I'm 15 minutes ahead of time. If the context is clear,
Think
that's
of
all the
it.
things starts falling in place.
That the areas of your life which is working is because your context is of that. And the areas of life which is not working or not working as well as you want them to, it's because of the context. बैकग्राउंड में क्या है, इधर माल इधर है, इधर जैसा है वैसा ही इधर है, इधर में गड़बड़ है तो इधर भी गड़बड़ है. So what we do, we keep on working here, 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 here. No result. And we work here, there is a result.